Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Men plus knee plus apple plus his. Men, knee, apple, his. Minneapolis. If you could do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Cymraeg.
Thank you, Gene. Good morning, everyone, and welcome again to Classic Concentration. Got a good, lively group of people here in our studio today, and as you noticed, as our contestants were coming out, they were both doing this. Obviously, they're up for today's game. Angela Berry is on my right. She won a game on our last show, picked up a few $100s in prizes. She defeated this man, Joe Pruch. Welcome back, Joe.
Thank you, Alex.
And Angela, good to have you back with us. Ready to go?
Yes.
Take a look. Show you one of the prizes for game one.
A spectacular diamond cluster ring of 14-karat gold with 22 brilliant full-cut diamonds, 2.5 carat total weight, an exclusive design of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
And that beautiful diamond ring is on the board, hiding behind number 21. We also have a holiday on the Isle of Nevis. And Joe, this is a big game. This is a big game for you, of course, because you got that one strike, so you select first.
All right. Let's try in the center at number 13.
We have a ceiling fan.
Okay, let's try and get a match for that under number 9.
Green take. Angela.
Okay, let's start with number 5, please.
Entertainment Center.
That would be nice. How about the match under number 11?
No, there's a green take. Joe, break for you.
Let me try number 9. And the match under that for number 11.
9 and 11 works well. Gives you a little bit of insurance for later on, and it allows you to take a look at the puzzle with the first 2 doors opening up. Select again.
Okay, no guess yet. Let me try number 7.
Red take.
Let's see if we can get them both here. How about a match for that under number 17?
Diamond ring. Ooh. No match. Angela.
Number 21, please.
Diamond ring.
And number 17.
Diamond ring.
It look nice, wouldn't it?
I see no diamonds here. No diamonds, no rings.
That's going to look lovely.
But
and I gave it to her.
And you gave it to her. Boy, when your wife finds out, are you going to be in trouble? And when Angela's boyfriend finds out, Subway. Let's open these 2 doors for Angela Berry. Select again.
Okay, let's go with number 10, please.
18-piece cookware set.
Ooh, that'd be nice. How about the match under number 1?
Home security system. No match. Back to Joe.
All right, Alex, let's try number 2.
Wild card. Good news for you.
She took the diamond rings. Let's try and find the trip here under number 19.
18-piece cookware set. And we saw that earlier. At number 10, 3 doors are going to open. You've got the take if you're interested in that diamond ring, and it is a beautiful piece of jewelry.
I'm gonna save it for this one. I'm gonna save one more time here.
All righty. 3 panels will now open. Can you solve it? Select
not
again.
Yet. All right. Let's try number 20.
Wild card again.
All right. I'm gonna try for the trip one more time. Let me see what's under number 3.
Number 3 is a personal whirlpool. The other personal whirlpool, which we have not seen, is at number 16. Once again, I ask you about the take. There's a diamond ring up there.
Well, I lost the bracelet last time. Let me go ahead and take the ring, just in case.
All right.
Just in case.
Just in case, he says. And while we move the prize over, let's open 3 panels for Joe. Pick again.
Yes. All right, let's see what's under number 22.
What? Angela, if I were sitting where you are sitting right now, the words saliva test would be coming to my mind. This guy has come up with 3 wild cards in a row. Joe, what do you want to match this one with?
Right.
You're fishing for the trip, I take
Still
it.
fishing for that trip. Let's try under number 23.
23, right next door. Crystal gift certificate. That's a good prize. The other crystal gift certificate is right up top at number 4. You're opening up the board beautifully, and 3 more panels swing open right now. select again.
All right. Let's try number 5.
Entertainment Center.
And was it under number 14?
No, that's a home security system. Angela?
Oh, where was that? Let's try number 15, please.
Isle of Nevis.
Okay. What haven't we seen? How about number 7?
7 is a good number, but it's a red take, so it's not a match. Joe?
Let me see number 1. And the match for that under number 14.
The home security system matches up nicely. Joe's on a roll today, folks. 2 more doors opening for his benefit. Pick again.
Okay, still can't solve that. Let me see what's under number 8. Computer. And how about under number 6?
Ceiling fan. Angela, here's your chance to get right back into the thick of this match.
Okay, number 13, please. Ceiling fan, yes. And number 6.
6 matches up. That gives you just 1 prize. But you have no losses so far, and if you solve the puzzle now, it's goodbye, Joe, and you get to go to the winner's circle again to play for a car. Can you do it? Not yet?
No.
All right, go again.
Number 18, please. And number 15.
The Isle of Nevis is at 18 and 15. Big prize, nice holiday.
Okay, oh God.
Open these 2 doors for Angela.
Now I'm sweating. You never can be too sure.
She says, you never can be too sure. No, it is not that. There are 3 items that match on the board.
Okay, number 7, please.
Red take.
How about number 5?
Entertainment Center. Joe.
Okay, let me try number 8.
Computer.
Computer. Let me try a match for under number 12.
Entertainment Center. This board now belongs to Angela. She should be able to clear it.
Number 5, please. And number 12.
That matches. Now, Angela, you just uncovered a couple of boxes a few moments ago, and there's a take up there, and there's another prize. You may want to play it, use a bit of strategy here to clear the entire board, but it's your decision, of course. We'll open these 2 panels for you right now. All right, are you playing it that way?
I wasn't, but I will be.
Oh, okay.
Number 25, please.
25 is the red
And
take.
number 7.
7 works out. That's the take. Here's the take. He's got the diamond ring.
I'll take the diamond ring back. I want the diamond ring back.
Right.
I need that
She's
ring.
going to take the diamond ring. That'll go back to her side. These 2 panels will open up, and then we'll show you 8 and 24. That's the computer. That goes into your prize column as well. And now, Angela, you're going to break Joe's heart, of course. Solve this puzzle. Golly, Joe's going to steal it.
You can never be too sure.
Is it you can never be too sure? Yes, it is. No, it isn't, Angela, and I'll explain it. In fact, I'll do it right now. I'll do it right now. For, as you know, you have to solve the puzzle exactly as it is depicted. And what you did, you said you never can be too sure. You changed the order of the words. You had the right words. You put 2 of them in the wrong order. And that's why I thought you had caught yourself afterwards, and we're just going to clear the entire board.
I was going to say it again. I thought, no, I already said that.
Joe, let's go to the board.
Right. Well, Axe, over here, we have the U plus the can pointed down here, the nev plus the or for never, you can never, the B here, then we have the 2 and the shoe plus the or for sure. You can never be too sure. And me neither.
And that means you're a big winner. Angela, no harm, no foul for you. You made a little mistake. It cost you 1 strike only, so you'll be back in a little bit to play in game number 2, and we'll see you then. Right now, though, for Joe, his turn to enjoy winning some prizes. Let's hear about them. Gene?
a personal whirlpool, an 18-piece cookware set, and a crystal gift certificate, and Oneida gift certificate for your choice from an elegant collection of full lead, mouth-blown, hand-cut crystal, featuring stemware, barware, and giftware furnished by Oneida, and a home security system. Safe and sound wireless home security system designed for easy installation and engineered to provide the ultimate in security. Safe and sound, furnished by Domingo Products.
And I hate to interrupt the flow of the game, ladies and gentlemen, but my executive producer told me to do this. As you know, I had a little boy recently, and in case you wanted to see what he looks like, this is Matthew Alexander with a full head of hair at 4.5 weeks old. Tilt it this way and this way. There you go. They're applauding you. In a moment, we're going to take a commercial break. We'll come back. Joe will get to play for a brand new car. I don't have to worry because I've got my prize right after this. There you go.
Fine.
You won a whole bunch of prizes, and now you get to play for a brand new car. So here are the 15 numbered squares and the clock with base time of 35 seconds. Good luck to you. Go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
5, 6.
No.
7, 8.
No.
9, 7.
Right?
10, 3.
Yeah.
11, 5.
No.
6, 12.
No.
8, 12.
Right?
4, 11.
Yeah.
13, 6.
Oh, darn.
5, 13.
Right.
14, 2, 15.
If you hadn't made that
I've had one mistake
on the Sundance earlier, you'd have had it, man. You'd have had it. All right, but you've won $1,065 in that game. You're on the board with some prizes. You get to play in the deciding game of the match against Angela right after this.
Good.
Welcome back. The fortune teller said we would be seeing a lot of numbers. But what do they mean? Gene Woods knows.
You can have 1,000 California lottery tickets where you have a chance to win thousands more. Or you can have $1,000 in cash. Alex.
Whoa, that's not a bad deal.
Not at all.
1,000 lottery tickets or $1,000 in cash. If you won it, what would you take? Angela?
I think the lottery tickets.
Lottery tickets. Joe?
I'm a gambling kind of guy, and I think I'd take them too.
Yeah. It sounds exciting. If somebody gives you 1,000 lottery tickets, you say,
Your chances are pretty good at something.
yeah, I'm going to win something.
All
All right, let's show you where you can find that prize on the board at number 5. We've got the bonus car seconds in this game, vacation at a California resort, and $600 in the cash pot.
All right.
And Angela, you go first.
Okay, let's start with number 12, please.
Pearl necklace.
That'd be nice. How about number 9?
Green take, no match. Joe?
All right, how about the middle, number 13?
Bonus
5
seconds.
car seconds, all right. Let me try a match for that under number 25.
No, there's that pearl necklace. Angela's going to make that match real fast.
Number 12.
Yep.
And number 25.
12 and 25 is good. Put the necklace up there. Show her 2 pieces of this puzzle. Go again.
Okay, how about in corner number 1?
Red take.
Did we just see that? Number 19.
Red take. Boy. Angela's determined today. A little insurance. Another look. Pick again.
Okay, start at the bottom corner, number 21.
California Beach
Oh,
Club.
that would be great. How about number 3?
Nope, there's the cash
Cash
pot.
pot.
Joe.
Okay, let's try number 7.
Cash
And
pot.
match for number 3.
Number 3. All right, this game is turning into a contest in which each of our players will have a lot at stake, I'm sure. 2 doors opening up for Joe. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 4.
Car,
Our
stereo, and speakers.
Match for that, let's see for number 15.
Wild card, it's going to work for you. The other car, stereo, and speakers on the bottom at 22. 3 more panels opening. Go again.
Okay, let's try number 14 this time.
Green
Green
take.
take. Okay, I can use that. Let me see if I can get a match for that on number 20.
No, ladies
Ladies
swimwear
swimwear.
collection. You didn't want that anyway.
you're
Angela.
right.
I'd like that. Number 16, please.
Gold desk clock.
We haven't seen that. How about number 10?
California Beach Club vacation. Joe.
Let me try number 21.
Yeah.
All right, the match on a number 10.
You're right.
All right.
Swing them open. Joe's on a roll right now. Pick again.
Let's try number 2.
Gold desk clock.
Oh, boy. Number 16?
Gold
All right.
desk clock. Right. Another prize in his column and another look at the puzzle. Select.
Okay, let's try number 8.
Wild card.
Boy.
Looking at those.
Let's get the, I don't know what to get. Let's try number 14.
Green tape. The other
that's a
green
good
tape
insurance marker, at least.
at number 9. You can grab the pearl necklace right now.
I'm gonna hold on to it. I'm gonna hold on to the take.
He's going to wait a little while longer. Open 3 panels. Pick again.
Okay, let's try number 17.
5 bonus car seconds, and there is still 1 wild card up there to assist you.
Okay, let's try number 11.
That's a stargazing telescope. Angela?
Number 5, please.
$1,000 in California lottery tickets.
How about number 24?
Stargazing telescope. Joe?
Okay, was it number 6?
No, but that's a
what?
wild
I'll
card.
take it. Let me go ahead and take number 5.
Number 5 for the $1,000 or the 1,000 California lottery tickets. The other one at number 23. You want to use the take now?
Let me, I'm gonna go ahead, let me take it.
Give him the pearl necklace and show him these 3 pieces of the puzzle. Pick again. Oh, there's the bell. You won't get a chance for any more selections. Hands close to those signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. We're going to reveal the last remaining 6 panels. Number 11. Joe is in there.
Is it walk, don't run?
Walk, don't run, he says. And he is right again. 2 in a row for Joe.
Yes.
It's a good day for you, Joe.
Thanks, Angela.
Come on to the board.
Okay, we had the walk down here. That threw me at first here. I had the walk, the do plus the NT for don't, walk, don't, and then the run and the nylon here for walk, don't run.
Walk, don't run. That's a match-winning solution for you.
All right.
And Angela winds up with $400 and some in
great.
prizes, and I hope you enjoyed yourself.
I will. I did. Thank you.
You're a good player. Take care, Angela. So long. Now, you're winding up with a lot more than $400 worth, I can tell you that. Gene, tell them.
A cash pot worth $600, a car stereo with speakers, and a gold desk clock. Jean Roulet will bring a touch of elegance to your office or home with this 18-karat gold-layered over brass desk clock. Swiss-made and all quartz movement furnished by Jean Roulet. And a pearl necklace, a matinee-length cultured pearl necklace, 6 to 6.5 millimeters. Beautifully adorned with a 14-karat gold clasp. From the fine jewelry collection of the Michael C. Vina Company and the California Beach Club. You'll spend 6 nights at the Newport Beach Marriott Hotel and Tennis Club overlooking the Pacific Ocean. A complete resort with fine dining, entertainment, and facilities to keep you relaxed and fit. Furnished by the Newport Beach Marriott Hotel and Tennis Club. And, of course, the lucky 1,000 California lottery tickets. And, Joe, you have prizes totaling $4,375.
$4,300 is very nice.
Much better this time.
Better than the first game. And an opportunity once again to play for a brand new car. We'll give you that test after this break. 15 numbered squares. The clock up to 40 seconds, Joe. Good luck. Win a car.
Okay. 1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 8, 2, 9,
No.
10, 8,
No.
11, 12,
No.
4, 13,
No.
1, 13,
Yeah.
14, 12, no, 15, 9,
No, it's not going to work.
6, 7, 9, 7, Can I get a little help?
You missed the fox early on.
Yeah, that got me.
That kind of threw you off. But that's all right. You've got $5,440 in prizes, and you're going on to play again tomorrow. Right now, we're going away for a break after we hear from Gene.
Some of today's participants may receive this advanced Sanyo telephone answering system with multi-function tone remote. Features digital time and day voice stamp, call screening, two-way record, and much, much more, furnished by Sanyo. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Poor Joe, he won a lot of prizes, but no car. And I get to go home to Matthew Alexander. I think I'm a winner today. We'll see you all tomorrow. So long.
This is Gene Woods speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.